Hey everyone, me, Hunter Valentine, the Mountain City Channel. Hey, I just want to show you guys something. Check this out. Burger King onion rings. Flavored snacks. Have it your way at Burger King. Now, not only that one, here's this one. Hot fries. Burger King. Have it your way. Flavored potato snacks. Now, we're not finished. You know this. Cheesy fries. Flavored potato snacks. Have it your way from where? Dun, dun, dun. Burger King. Where did I get these? 99-cent store. We're going to do a test. Now, I got enough soda to drink after it. Got me the 3-liter. It's Circle. It says Circle. What was it? Big Circle K on it or something? Stars and Stripes. My mistake. So, we're going to try the onion rings. I happen to love the onion rings. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to open it up. Smells like onions. Take a look. The texture, like an onion ring. Puff snacks, and they taste like an onion. Not bad. Probably pretty good if I dip it in ranch. But 0 grams of fat. You guys see it? In the corner. 0 grams of fat. Now, that was the onion rings. Let's get this taste out of my mouth. You guys heard that, right? Now, take it off. We forgot to let Kitty try one. Kitty, come here. Come on. Okay, now tell me, what do you think? She went around the corner with it. And she's eating. I hear crunch, crunch. So I guess she liked it. Okay. We'll watch the onion stuff out of my mouth. You guys take a look here. Stars and Stripes soda, diet, 3 liters. Yep. So, that was the onion ring. Now, we're going to try the cheesy fries. See? Look in the corner again. 0 gram saturated fat. This has a fresh, flame taste. Okay, now let's take a look. They're small, but crunchy potato. Cheesy. Excuse me. Oh, let's see. How's that, Kitty? You like that? She likes it. Not bad. Now, little sizes like this and stuff, and this is cheesy flavored, but not too bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Now, well, I'll give Kitty a couple more. Come here. Get up here. French fry? There you go. Okay, now I have 2 bags that are open. 3rd bag, remember? Hot fries. Burger King, have it your way. 0 grams saturated fat. And yes, if Kitty Cat wants one, I will give one to her to eat. She has water over there. Wow, this thing really doesn't want to open. Maybe it's telling me something. I doubt it, though. Guess what, guys? I have to use a key to open it. This bag is actually that strong, apparently. There it goes. My finger went into it. Yay. Went through it. Anyway, we'll tear it to the top. There it goes. And oh, you can smell the hot and the vinegar smell. Now, well, should we let Kitty have the first taste, guys? That's me. Not bad. We'll give one to Kitty. Come on. She spit it out and then ate it. But these are not that spicy to me. Well, take a peek. Burger King. So, 99-cent store. Check them out. Not bad. I'm out of here.